Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate and talk about one of our new sandwich prep tables. Okay, this is going to be a 70-inch sandwich prep table. Brand on this unit is our own company brand, Cooler Depot. It is an all stainless steel unit, very good quality. You also will be provided with the cutting board. So we'll go ahead and start off by giving you the overall exterior measurements, and then we'll also measure the inside for you. Starting off with the length here. As I mentioned, you're looking at exactly 70.5 inches. Okay, from front to back. You're looking at 29.5 inches. And the overall height for this prep table, you're looking at a measurement of 42 inches high. Okay, now the unit does have wheels, casters already installed. Okay, so that measurement for the height is with the wheels already installed. Just the wheels, the height, you're looking at 5 inches. Also, as we mentioned, this has a cutting board. It is provided with the prep table, and the measurement for that cutting board, you're looking at 10 inches. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and open up these lids and show you the inside where you'll be able to locate your pans. Pans will be provided with this unit. You have a total of 18 pans for this prep table, which are going to be the 1/6 pans. Okay, so these pans are going to be provided, and you can also see that they have the NSF label on these pans. Okay, so they're all going to have that right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the inside of the unit, and we're going to go ahead and measure the inside as well. Starting with the right side here, you will be able to locate your thermometer for this unit on the inside. You also will be provided with a manual, and the fan for the cooling will be located on the inside as well. Also, these doors are going to be automatic closing doors. Okay, so you have 3 doors for this unit. Also, we have shelves for this unit. You have a total of 3 shelves, 1 per each section. And on the very left-hand side, we have a sticker with all the specs, circuit diagram, and certifications for this unit. Now, inside measurements. Front to back, you're looking at a total of 17.5 inches. For the length on the inside, you're looking at a total of 66.5 inches, 66.5. And the overall height on the inside, you're looking at a total of 23 inches. Okay, so those are going to be all the details for this prep table and inside measurements for this prep table. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and show you the back of this prep table. And on the back, we're going to be able to locate our plug. Okay, now it is going to be a standard US plug for this prep table. Also, compressor will be located on the bottom back. And we have our controller here as well on the back. Okay, so this is where you can set your temperature for the unit. Also, temperature will be showing once the unit is on and running. And we have our power switch as well on the back. Okay, so that's going to be the back for this unit. Okay, guys, now if you're interested in one of these prep tables, simply go on our website, coolerdepotusa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the exact price for this model. If you have any other questions regarding this unit, you can also give us a call and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.